Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. This revision petition is directed against the judgment dated 19/11/1994 passed by Learned Additional District and Sessions Judge, Allahabad, in criminal appeal, whereby the Learned Appellate Court dismissed the appeal filed by the petitioner and upheld the judgment of conviction and order of sentence dated 13/7/1994 passed by the Learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, Allahabad. Stop. By the said judgment, the Learned Trial Court convicted the accused petitioner under Section 279, 304 IPC and sentenced him for the offence under Section 279 IPC to undergo simple imprisonment for 2 months and to pay a fine of rupees 500 and in default of payment of fine. Further, to undergo simple imprisonment for 15 days and for the offence under Section 304 IPC. The accused petitioner was sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 1 year and to pay a fine of rupees 5,000 and in default of payment of fine, further to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 6 months. Stop. Aggrieved by the judgment of conviction and order of sentence passed by the Learned Trial Court, the petitioner has preferred this revision petition. Stop. Para. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner contended that the Learned Trial Court convicted the petitioner for the offence under Section 279, 304 IPC on the basis of the statements of the witnesses, and the Learned Trial Court has erred in appreciating the evidence of all the witnesses because PW2 in her cross-examination admitted the fact that after the accident, when she heard about death of Akhilesh, she reached the place of incident. Stop. Further, PW5 has been declared hostile witness by the prosecution and he did not support the prosecution story, and PW8 also admitted in her cross-examination that after the accident she came out of her house. Therefore, the evidence of these 3 witnesses was not properly appreciated by the Learned Trial Court as well as by the Learned Appellate Court, and regarding the evidence of PW1, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner contended that he also admitted in his cross-examination that after hearing the sound of accident, he immediately rushed to the place of incident, and further he admitted in his cross-examination that the deceased girl herself came under the minibus and thereby the accident took place. Stop. Para. Thus, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the evidence of PW1 also does not support the prosecution story that he saw the accident with his own eyes while the minibus was being driven by the petitioner in a rash and negligent manner. Stop. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner further contended that as per the site inspection memo and site map, the incident took place on the left side of the road, where the dead body of the girl was found 3 feet away from the side of the road. Therefore, it cannot be said that at the time of the accident, the driver was driving the mini bus in such a manner so as to drive it in wrong side. Stop. Para. The Learned Public Prosecutor contended that by seeking the child girl, the driver of the minibus, that is, the petitioner, could have stopped the vehicle or could have minimized its speed. Stop. Thus, she defended the judgment of the learned trial court. Stop. I have considered the rival contentions of both the parties and perused the evidence available on the record. Stop. For the offence under section 279, 304 IPC, the prosecution has to prove the rash and negligent driving of the vehicle on the part of the driver to prove his guilt beyond reasonable doubt. Stop. In the present case, PW2 and PW8 clearly admits in their evidence that they came out of their houses after coming into knowledge of the fact of death of the deceased girl, and the complainant PW5 did not support the prosecution's story and has been declared hostile. Stop. Now, if come to the evidence of PW1, it is clear that he also admitted that he came to the place of the incident after hearing the sound of the accident, and further he admitted in his cross-examination that the deceased girl herself came under the bus, therefore the accident took place. Stop. Thank you.